Good morning, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for your hard work yesterday. You guys are all rock stars. I hope you guys are feeling like you're getting the hang of this. I feel like you are. I've seen some great things on there. I feel like I'm getting the hang of it, so yay. Real quick reminder, don't forget we have a Zoom meeting on Friday if you want to attend. I'll talk to you guys about that tomorrow in our morning announcement. I do have a couple things to update you on today. Those themed task cards, you guys are working so hard on them. Thank you so much. We found kind of a little glitch in them after we posted them. We found out that originally we thought that you could split them up and not have to do every single question all day, every day to kind of break up your work because there were 16 slides. Well, if you turn in the first 5, unfortunately, it doesn't save your questions, save your answers. So we kind of messed around with it a few times, and so I've got some good news. This was really a practice for you. It was a great way for you to kind of practice your theme because we do have at the end of the week a theme assessment, and it's going to look much like what you were doing earlier this week, these theme task cards. So this one, you do not have to turn it in. I do want you to keep practicing with it. It's a great practice. It's going to get you prepared for tomorrow and Friday. However, it's just too hard to, it's like we can't break it up, and we could reassign it to you, but then again, you're going to have to do all of the slides, and at this point, we don't want you to do all 16 slides today. So I want you to practice with it, but you do not have to turn it in. Those of you that did turn it in, I can still see your answers for those first 5 slides, so I can look through them and kind of help you out. Or if you have questions on them, definitely make sure to reach out to me, okay? That being said, tomorrow and Friday, the theme test or the theme assessment looks a lot like what you guys have been doing. So we don't want you to turn it in tomorrow, even if you do the slides 1 through 6 like we ask you to. What we want you to do, what we think is going to be the easiest, is write your answers down on a piece of paper for questions 1 through 6. Okay? Then when you log in on Friday, go back in, put those answers into the form for 1 through 6, then answer the rest of the questions and turn it in. That's a way if you want to split it up so that you have something to do Thursday and Friday. If you want to sit down and finish the whole thing in one sitting, you can do that too. It's really up to you. Just don't turn it in unless all of the answers are selected on that. And then my next thing to update you on is today is Wednesday, so our office hours are a little different. Today, Miss Patterson is going to be on Go Guardian from 8 to 10. I'll be on Go Guardian from 10 to 12, and then Miss Simpson will be on Go Guardian from 12 to 2. We have teachers have Zoom meetings today with each other, so we have to shorten our office hours just a little bit today. But you can absolutely reach us through email during those meetings. We are happy to help in any way we can. I think that's all I have to update you on today. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to fill out that check-in form. And I'll be touching base with some of you on Go Guardian today. So let me just go through real quick what you have to complete today. So it says the task cards. Remember, just use them as a practice. The theme task cards in Google Classroom. It says 12 through 16. If you haven't done 6 through 11, just go through, look through them. You do not have to submit it today. Don't forget to read for 30 minutes at some point today. It can be later today. It's no big deal. You are in math today. You're going to go into Khan Academy, and there is a video. You're going to watch the video called Writing a Number as a Fraction and Decimal. And then you're going to also complete the problems. It says writing decimals and fractions shown on grids, and then writing decimal and fractions shown on number lines. So you're going to be completing those questions. It looks like there's 8 questions total. And then for history today, you got assigned an interactive notebook slide with our lesson, The Path to War, yesterday. That is what you're working on today. There's nothing new. Just keep working on those interactive notebook slides. In science, it's Utah ecosystems. What do maps tell us? You're going to review elevation and precipitation. you are going on are the principal causes of biomes in the diagram. And then you're going to use some of yesterday's questions to discover plants and animals. And then my suggestion for the special for you to work on today is Chinese. Remember, you can work on all your specials in the same day, but splitting them up is going to make your day shorter. It's going to make your day a little bit less stressful. So please try to concentrate on one special a day if you can. Some of the projects probably need to take a couple days, but don't spend more than 60 minutes on a special, okay? So I would suggest Chinese today. Don't forget, I did put a library assignment in there. I don't know if too many people did that yesterday. You do have until next week to complete that. It seemed like it was a fairly straightforward lesson, and that is in Perusich 4th grade. But like I said, I recommend working on Chinese today. All right, I think those are my announcements for today. I will see you on Go Guardian at 10 o'clock. Otherwise, please email me. Have a great day.